Instagram DMs get live location sharing and nicknames feature. Instagram has introduced several new features aimed at offering users a more seamless experience of direct messages. DMs are a great way to connect with friends and are often used to share text, photos, videos, emojis, GIFs, stickers, and more. With the new update, the Meta-owned platform has added a location sharing feature in direct messages, enabling users to share their live location with friends for up to 1 hour at a time. The feature is designed to facilitate meetups at events, concerts, and other gatherings. The feature is optional, with users able to control who can see their location. This feature is similar to Snapchat's Snap Map, but without the overhead view that displays all shared locations. Alongside the location sharing feature, Instagram also introduces the ability to assign nicknames to friends in DMs, including within group chats. The feature only works with specific chats, so outsiders can't see each other's provided nicknames. Moreover, Instagram has added 17 new sticker packs with over 300 new stickers. Currently, these new features are only available in selected countries. However, Instagram head Adam Mosseri revealed that Instagram is witnessing increased usage of its messaging feature, with users interacting more with messages than with the create button. As a response, Instagram is also testing a new placement for the chat icon, relocating it to the bottom center of the app.